Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. One of the most common questions I receive is, how much is the salary working on a cruise ship? A lot of people are curious because they see crew members traveling around the world, visiting different countries, and they think, wow, this job must be amazing. And yes, working on a cruise ship can be amazing opportunity. But today, I want to share not only the salary, but also the reality behind working on board. Before you apply, you need to understand the lifestyle, the workload, and the sacrifices that come with this career. So in this video, we will talk about the estimated cruise ship salary from the lower position to the higher positions on board. Please remember, these are estimated salaries only. It depends on the cruise line, position, experience, rank, contract, and sometimes incentives or commissions. Let's start. Laundry attendant, usually around $600 to $1,500 per month. They are responsible for washing, pressing, and maintaining uniforms, linens, towels, and guest laundry services. It may look like a simple job, but a cruise ship has thousands of guests and hundreds of thousands of crew members, so the workload can be very demanding. Public area cleaner, around 700 to 1,500 per month. They make sure guest areas, public areas, and crew areas are clean and comfortable. Cleanliness is very important on board because guests expect a high standard of service. Galley utility or kitchen helper, around $700 to $1,800 per month. They support kitchen operations, cleaning preparation, and helping the culinary team. The galley is one of the busiest areas on board because they prepare thousands of meals every day. Assistant cook position, around $1,000 to $2,000 per month. This depends on your skills, experience, and rank. If you have a good culinary experience, there are opportunities to grow. Cabin steward and stateroom attendant, around $1,200 to $3,000 plus per month. They take care of guest cabins and provide excellent service. This position requires attention to detail because you are directly serving guests. Security staff, security officer, around $1,500 to $4,000 per month. Security is a very important department on board. They help maintain safety, monitor areas, assist during emergencies, and make sure safety procedures are followed. Restaurant staff, assistant waiter, and waiter, around $1,200 to $3,500 plus per month. Some positions can earn higher depending on gratuities or service charges. Customer service skills and communications are very important. Bartender or bar staff, around 1,500 to 4,000 plus per month. Their income can depend on experience, sales, and incentives. Spa therapists or beauty staff, around $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Some positions may earn additional income through commissions depending on performance. Youth staff, sports staff, and activity staff, around $1,500 to $3,000 per month. They organize activities, sports, and entertainment for guests. This job requires energy, confidence, creativity, and good communication skills. Guest services or reception, around $2,000 to $3,500 per month. They handle guest concerns, requests, and provide assistance throughout the cruise. You need patience because you will meet different nationalities and different personalities. Entertainment staff or performers, around $2,000 to $6,000 plus per month. This depends on your talent, experience, and contract. Medical, IT and senior position around $4,000 to $10,000 per month. This position requires specialized skills, certification, and experience. Captain and senior officers can earn around $8,000 to $15,000 plus per month or more depending on the rank and experience. Now, aside from salary, one reason many people choose cruise ship jobs is because your major expenses are usually covered. Most crew members receive free accommodation, you stay in a crew cabin, free meals on board, transportation assistance to join the ship depending on a company policy, airline ticket assistance or company paid flights, medical support on board depending on company policy. Because of these benefits, many crew members are able to save more compared to some land-based jobs. But I want to remind you of something important. Don't look at the salary only. Before you apply, ask yourself, am I ready for workload? Because cruise ship work is not a normal 8-hour job. You may work long hours. You may stand for many hours. You may work during weekends and holidays. And even when you are tired, you still need to provide good service. Another challenge is homesickness. You will be away from your family, friends, and your normal routine. You may miss birthdays, holidays, and important family moments. That is why mental preparation is very important. You need to become independent, responsible, and learn how to adjust to life on board. You also need to work with people from different cultures and nationalities. The cruise ship industry can open many opportunities, but success depends on your attitude, discipline, and willingness to learn. For those who are serious about applying, improve your English, build your experience, prepare your documents, research the position you want, and make sure you understand the reality of this career. Because working on board is not only about traveling the world, it is about commitment, hard work, discipline, and building a better future for yourself and for your family. If you are someone who dreams of working on a cruise ship, I hope this video gave you a realistic idea of what to expect, not only the salary, but also the responsibilities that come with this career. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video because it helps me reach more aspiring seafarers who also want to start their cruise ship journey. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell because I will be sharing more cruise ship tips, application guides, interview questions, and resume advice and everything you need to know before joining the ship. If you have questions or topics you want me to discuss next, comment down below. I read your comments and I'll try to answer them in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep preparing, keep improving, and hopefully I see you on board someday. Good luck and see you in the next video.